I'm talking about if you stand outside, it's gonna blow you up, 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 and away. I'm on my way to work, and it is just crazy. I'm talking about the wind having a whole storm all by itself. Like, y'all hear it? Shit crazy, man. Indiana going through all types of weathers and changes, and it's crazy. Today is Sunday. Today is supposed to be my off day. Well, today is my off day, but I'm working. So, how about that for $1? I'm gonna see y'all later. I just wanted y'all to hear our little wind. Ooh. Yo, y'all, we ain't got no lights at this intersection. Look at this shit. Y'all can't even see nothing. Because we ain't got no lights at this intersection. Motherfuckers gonna get killed right here. This don't make no motherfucking... Right here on Emerson and 46 and Emerson. No light system back there, y'all. None. You see how dark it is back there? It ain't supposed to be dark. No lights and nothing on. Motherfucker just flew through the light. Didn't even stop. Child, somebody gonna get killed right there. Somebody gonna get hurt. They better fix that, because that's dangerous. I thought I was tripping, but I wasn't. Child. Kevin, ain't no lights out here at this crazy little stoplight around the curb. What's that? Woodfield Crossing Boulevard. Ain't no lights around here. This shit crazy than a motherfucker. Oh my God. Somebody gonna get hurt. I don't know what it's gonna look like around this corner. But baby. Ooh, let me hurry up and get to this building, boy. Cause there's so many lights out. I mean, at the craziest spots in that, the lights is not working, where people get killed. Oh my goodness. Okay, we got a little light over here on 86 in Mandalay. But back at the other light, child, bye. Yeah. About to go on lunch. And y'all see I got this wig on. My good wig. At work. The other one is in the garbage. Okay? It's in the garbage because homeboy RIP to the weed. Yeah. I got me some Arby's. You know the 2 for $5? Is it 2 for $5? Yeah, 2 for $5. And some chips. Saved it just so I won't have to buy no $6 lunch. And that's not even with a drink. Day lunch is high as hell. But yeah, I'm here. This is day 7. Day 7. And I got 3 more to go. It's a madhouse up in here, y'all. People up in Ooh, they tripping. Then these people that's training up in here, managers, is getting on my fucking nerve. Why every time I turn around, I see somebody. Look, I'm gonna need to go on third shift, find me a third shift, because I'm sick of that shit. I don't want to see somebody all the time like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't need nobody keep on questioning me. I know what I'm worth. And I know what I'm capable of. So I should be given that much respect and paid as much. So the look is on, because I'm not going to be able to do it. Yep, I'm searching. And I just want to say rest in peace to a co-worker of mine named Miss Emma. She had a stroke last week, and then she was in a coma. She had bleeding on the brain, and the machine was just breathing for her, so they took her off and she passed away. So rest in heaven, Miss Emma. She used to ask me all the time, how was your day? I'll be like, long. She'd be like, please. Good day, people. We're at home on, what's today? Tuesday. And I'm making some turkey meatballs with chicken gravy and some onions and peppers. And I got some green beans back there. About to start sizzling up, getting ready. And Sarge got him some baked and fried chicken from Kroger's. I don't know what he think he gonna eat with that. Some green beans too, cause I ain't cooking nothing else. That's it. And yeah, we've just been chilling, y'all. Who you talking to? Y'all see Sarge over there? You can see his bean head. Why come I can't never, there we go, right there, the bean head. Why come I can't never do that? Like, shut up, do you want to go outside or not? Yeah, I've been trying to do my little succulents. Y'all know how Dollar Tree got those succulents, sticks, or picks, or whatever they call. I done did one of them, because these was in our room. I done did this one. It don't look all too hot, but it's a little plant. I don't think it looked that bad. I might have to reposition them or whatever. But this one, we're gonna need about 6 or 7, 8 more up in here, because that just looks straight up trash. And this one ain't got none. But you know, it got the little foam on the inside. So we're just gonna have those sitting right there, because and I got this little red thing. Where we get this from? I think we got that from Burlington. Yeah, I got that from Burlington. And while I was at the Dollar Tree, I got some froggy. Let me turn on the lights, because Lord have mercy. Fix it, Jesus. Forgive me. I got some froggies. Got one on his side, looking like that. One regular. One laying on his back like he just chilling all the way. And this one looking crazy. Just looking like that. And I got the other red. It's supposed to be like a table placemat. Hope they didn't. Then we got these little leaf bowls. I just put my another red placemat. Just, you know, because my colors in here. And this little thing right here was in my room. And I took that out and I got a different tray in there. I had my perfumes on there at one time. Then I got another one. Little bowl thing over here. It's a nice, they be having some nice stuff here. Ross and Burlington. So y'all need to get on that. Then we got some placemats. I don't like the way it look with the placemats and the table runner. Just look kind of trashy. But it is what it is. And then I'm going to get some chargers and have my plates and stuff set out. I mean, who be over here? My baby? My baby don't be sitting up here eating all the time. She going to have her own little spot. So, why you ain't turn your lights on, babe? You don't care? We got some lights from Amazon. Okay, I guess I don't know how to work them. Oh, they done fell down. The lights done fell down. Well, we got one strip down there. I don't know how to change it. I tried to change it to purple. Child, look, I ain't really messing with that thing. I'm supposed to turn it off. There we go. That's better. Let me check on my food before it be spilling out the side of the motherfucking thing. Y'all look at them turkey meatballs. Come on, it's looking good, ain't they? Ooh, with the peppers and onions. Yeah, I'm gonna tear that up. If you don't know, now you know, babe. Now you know, babe. Now you know, babe. Hey. Yeah. We just about finished buying stuff for this crib. So for when it's time for us to sit out on the patio, baby, I got some ideas. And I got to get my chairs and all that stuff about there. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Because it needs to be comfortable. Plus, we got to get our barbecue grill. And I don't really like the gas. I hate when my stuff spill over and then I'm just steady wiping stuff. I don't like stuff sitting all over everywhere. Spilling and getting hard. And then it'd be hard for you to clean up later on. Half naked ass nigga. Did you take a shit? Yes, no, maybe so. Did you take a shit? Huh? Did you take a shit talking spray?
No, baby.
Yes, you did, you lying heifer. Don't sit your... Down. This ain't your room. Go. Act like she gonna run off in here, big head, while I'm trying to get off in here. And then we got this right here with the bowl. It didn't cost that much, yeah. It did not cost that much at all. Got my candle holders up there. Got my little elephants. Y'all like elephants? I like elephants. My mama like the elephants. I like elephants. And y'all seen these elephants right here. Got these at the Burlington. Yeah. At Burlington. They're at Burlington. Yes, yeah, I took a nice bath yesterday. I didn't even want to get out the bath. Then I'm trying to decorate my little, I'm going to get like a little glass jar or something to sit back there. We getting a tray to go across here. You know, like we fancy, like, but it ain't going to cost much anyway, so. Then I wanted to get a little jar or something so I put my bath bombs and all that stuff. Or a little towel, a little rack sitting over there. And we got this little decor right there from Burlington. $5, 5 and 5. $5.99, $5.99. It wasn't nothing. About $25 for that little stuff right there. Just a little home decor. We ain't trying to do too much because we done basically already got everything, you know, in place or whatever. If we find something that we DIY some shit. That's just what it is. Shut up, cat. There ain't nothing wrong with you. Look at her, look at her. Don't know what to do with herself, yeah. Fix it, Jesus.